Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more travel tech reviews. HotelTonight, a last-minute booking platform review. This video explores the HotelTonight app, a platform designed for booking hotels on short notice. Links to HotelTonight and other helpful resources are available in the description below. Geared toward spontaneous travelers, business professionals, and anyone needing quick and affordable accommodations, HotelTonight specializes in deeply discounted rates for same-day or next-day bookings. This makes it perfect for those unexpectedly needing a hotel room. The app boasts a simple, user-friendly interface. Searching for hotels is easy, based on your current location, desired check-in date, and length of stay. HotelTonight provides a variety of filters, allowing users to refine searches by price, hotel type, and amenities like free Wi-Fi, breakfast, or parking. Furthermore, the platform categorizes hotels into different deals tailored to your preferences, such as basic for budget-conscious travelers or hip for those seeking trendy boutique hotels. This categorization simplifies finding accommodations matching your style and needs. HotelTonight truly shines for last-minute bookings. It's ideal for road trippers, business travelers, or anyone caught in an unforeseen circumstance requiring a quick hotel reservation. The app's exclusive nightly deals can lead to significant savings on premium hotels you might not typically consider. The booking process is streamlined, allowing you to reserve a room in just a few taps. It's designed for hassle-free booking. As an added benefit, HotelTonight offers a loyalty program, rewarding frequent users with discounts and credits for future bookings. While the platform excels at last-minute reservations, it might not be the best choice for travelers who prefer to plan their stays far in advance or require a vast selection of hotel options. However, for those prioritizing convenience, simplicity, and excellent last-minute deals, HotelTonight is a superb option. For more information, check out the links in the description.